Hi friends, this is Pari. Welcome to Pari's Cookbook. Today I am going to share effective and all natural hair pack and glimpse of Tel Aviv city streets. Stay with me. Ingredients for the pack: olive oil, honey, lemon, egg, and rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is very effective treating thinning edges. If at all the rosemary essential oil is not available, you can skip it. Now I took one whole egg with yolk. If some people does not like the smell of egg yolk, if you don't like it, you can skip it. But for this pack, egg yolk will be very effective. It will increase the growth of the hair. And now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add lemon. Use an whole lemon. If your hair length is very long, you can use 2 eggs also. According to your hair length, you can use eggs, and the ratio will be, for 2 eggs you need to use 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 lemon. Like that you can change it. This is very effective hair pack, and this is with all natural ingredients, so it will increase your hair growth. Not only hair growth, it will make you hair shine. You can apply it twice in a week or according to your free time. You can see the changes within 1 month only. Now I have added rosemary essential oil. Don't add so much, only 2 or 3 drops is enough. Now mix all these things and apply your detangle hair. Apply this pack to all of your hair. And do a little massage also. And after that, cover your hair with shower cap. Shower cap is very mandatory thing here because it will lock moisturizer in your hair. So don't skip this. Definitely use shower cap. After you can keep it for half an hour, or according to your time you can keep it. If you are keeping it for long times also, no problem. These are all very healthy ingredients, so these will not harm your hair. I'm using this pack from so many days. You can see my hair pictures also. These are my personal pictures. I'm using it from so long. Hope you like my channel. Please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.